First, let's meet Alexander Fleming, a Scottish scientist working at St. Mary's Hospital in London. Fleming had been studying dangerous bacteria, which sounds impressive, but his greatest discovery came from his skill of leaving dirty dishes everywhere in the lab and going on a vacation for 2 weeks straight. Now, to be clear, the petri dishes he left lying around were not empty. They were full of bacteria he had been growing for research. When he came back from vacation, one of the dishes had grown mold. Definitely not part of the plan and probably not something you proudly report at the next lab meeting. But here's the weird part. The bacteria was still growing everywhere on the plate, except in a clear circle around the mold. It was like the mold had slammed a tiny, invisible, no bacteria allowed sign just outside of its territory. Now, normal people would have tossed it in the bin and blamed housekeeping, but Fleming thought, that's odd. Let me study this real quick. He later discovered that the mold, identified as penicillin, was producing something that killed the bacteria around it. And just like that, penicillin was born. Before this great discovery, even minor infections could turn deadly. But thanks to Fleming's completely unintentional commitment to, I'll clean that later, bacterial infections finally had a serious enemy.